Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet snowflake. For this, I am using 4mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, take a yarn and make a magic circle. Then make a chain of 6. Chain 6 does count as our first double crochet plus chain 3. Make a double crochet in the magic circle, chain 3, double crochet in the magic circle, chain 3. Like this, make 3 more times, double crochet in the magic circle, chain 3. Slip stitch in the next space. To start our second row, make a chain of 3. Chain 3 does count as our first double crochet. In the next space, make 2 double crochets. Chain 3. In the next space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. In the next space, make 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Continue like this in the next 3 spaces. Slip stitch in the chain 3 space. Then make a slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. To start our row 3, make a chain of 3 and slip stitch in the same space and slip stitch in the chain 3 space. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, chain 6, slip stitch in the same space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, chain 3, slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, chain 6, slip stitch in the same space, chain 3, slip stitch in the same space, again chain 3, slip stitch in the same space. Make a slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. Continue like this in the next 4 spaces. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.